You ever find yourself cruising around town thinking, well, I want some Jamaican food? You know, like some stewed oxtail or maybe some curried goat, or better yet, some stewed peas with pigtail. Well, if you're in Kendall, Florida, you're in luck. You gotta come and check out this joint, Jamaica Kitchen. On point.
Lips burning, tongue burning, sweating.
You want some water?
Food is excellent.
This is pretty much authentic as it can get.
Like Jamaican?
Yes, very Jamaican. I'll be back tomorrow to get stewed peas and pigtails.
Yep, she said pigtail.
It's quite good.
Or how about some stewed oxtail? Or some curried goat? Wow. And check this out.
I'm having a Chinese chicken.
In a Jamaican restaurant? What kind of food do you call this?
Jamaican and Jamaican-Chinese.
Curry shrimp with white rice.
It's the food Cheryl Chin and her husband Anson grew up on in Jamaica,
Here, just your peas.
where Chinese immigrants, including many of their relatives, had been settling for decades.
3 of my grandparents are from China. My own parents were born in Jamaica, and the recipe has just been passed on for years.
I'm from Jamaica originally. I love both.
Now, why don't you call it a Jamaican-Chinese restaurant?
We consider ourselves Jamaicans first.
So they're doing the Jamaican classics.
The stewed oxtail.
This is actually the tail of a cow. It's really good though.
This is the roast rice of beef.
Cooked up by head chef Alfred Kong.
Start with some water, allspice,
This is allspice, not Chinese spice.
No.
Garlic powder, brown sugar.
chicken base, salt, ketchup,
You know,
Scotch bonnet pepper,
3 of them. That's why you wear the glove.
green onion, regular onion.
We're almost filling our pot up.
But it'll come down when it starts boiling. Tomatoes, soy sauce.
Soy sauce, thick soy sauce, though.
Eh?
That's not like regular soy sauce, is it?
Mushroom soy sauce
Oh, mushroom soy sauce.
and browning.
Browning caramel. Oh, to add some color to it.
Yes.
Okay.
Put it on the fire.
Put a lid on it, let it simmer for what?
About 3 hours.
3-hour
yeah.
tour? Okay, then you be Ginger, I'll be Gilligan. Like the never-ending pot symphony. A lot of stewing is the basis of Jamaican cooking?
I would say so.
You can.
I did.
You will.
I will.
Okay. Now it's ready to serve? This looks outstanding. I like that. All that flavor in the bone really makes that nice and deep and rich. Nice and tender. Just falls right off the...
bone.
That's a nice dish.
It's tender, very flavorful meat.
You go some places, oxtails like eating rubbers, but this is very tender.
And this is the curry oxtail.
This is the curry.
Oh, I want to try some curry oxtail. That's it. This I could get going on. Oh, man.
I love oxtail.
That's awesome oxtail. I'm salivating.
Spicy.
Not too spicy at all. I gargle with Tabasco.
Mostly spicy, that's what Jamaicans like, spicy foods.
I always get the spicy beef patty.
Almost like a national dish, where everyone in Jamaica eats it.
It's like a meat turnover. Don't be a wuss. Get a
Extra?
super spicy.
Give me super spicy.
Super spicy. All right? That's got
Yeah.
like 45 peppers in there.
That's fantastic.
That's the Jamaican hamburger.
That's a Jamaican hamburger.
Pretty much.
And
that's
the little red
equivalent.
dots mean
4 red dots means super hot.
means trouble. Where was I on this? If you keep eating it,
Here, the guy. Here, guys. Sorry.
I'm not hot. I totally handle it. That's legit. And if you want legit, what is exactly in here?
That's a pigtail.
Yep, tail of a pig.
With the stew peas, if you don't have the pigtail in it, I don't think it's a full dish.
I don't see you jumping in on this.
I ain't hungry.
I ain't hungry. Well, there's another one down at Drive-Ins and Dives. Pigtail. Strange,
You get out of the mind that it's a pig's tail and you just enjoy the flavor.
very nice.
Let's have the best food, and it's not only Jamaica.
You cannot go into a mainstream Chinese restaurant and find dishes like these. Sui man, which is a noodle soup.
With barbecued pork, chicken, and shrimp.
The phu ga,
That's bitter melon, stuffed with shrimp and pork.
It's Chinese food that we used to get in Jamaica.
pork and ham choy.
It's delicious.
That's pork belly with pickled mustard green that they're making by the gallon.
So we put the pork in, a little sugar,
Just 1 tablespoon?
yeah,
Okay.
a little salt, eyeball it,
So about 1.5 tablespoons.
yeah, mushroom sauce,
Mushroom soy,
bean sauce, 2 tablespoons.
one of my favorite.
This is oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce.
Ginger.
And since it's gonna sit there and stew, you don't have to worry about chopping it up.
Right.
Okay.
Green onion,
Got a cup of those. White onions too.
why not?
Water.
Water, yes. There you go, guy.
Holy garlic, Batman, how much?
That much.
Well, I have Johnny garlic, so I guess that's Jamaica garlic.
Sesame oil, black beans,
How long do we put on this stove?
hour and a half.
Yeah, I gotta tell you, Alfred, this is the most unique layout of food I've seen.
Really?
Oh, yeah. I don't think I can buy that at Myers Restaurant Supply.
And we made that.
No.
Yeah, we did.
Really?
I was thickening it up with some cornstarch.
Like a roux, like a slurry,
Yeah, whatever you want to call it.
whatever I want to call it. So in go the pickled mustard greens.
5 minutes and let
Another 5 minutes, let it set up.
in there.
Oh, it's looking good. Now you're talking to me, and that I like. See the sauce on that? Money. Big, deep, rich flavor. That's good.
A little bit tangy, and at the same time, it's a little sweet.
Almost every day. I
Really?
always like to have a home cooked meal.
We always like the Jamaican dishes because I
Jamaican,
can't
right.
cook them at home.
So you come and get your fix here.
Right.
I like it.
When curry goes, you have to come in and try it for yourself. It's just delicious.
We called it a humongous order.
And you're just snacking on yours while you're waiting for the order.
Right.
I like the way you roll. Keep these, send them to my mom. She'd be so proud of me. I wouldn't eat broccoli, but I'll scarf down a pigtail. Yeah, makes sense.